Tomorrow, former Congressman Chris Collins will find out whether he'll go to prison, possibly for more than 4 years. But right now, the judge who's going to decide his fate is playing 26 questions.
7 Eyewitness News has obtained a list of 26 questions he wants prosecutors and defense attorneys to answer as soon as possible, presumably to assist in his decision-making. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Jeff Slauson here with us, breaking down what these questions are. And Jeff, we might know the answers to some of these questions already.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Most of the questions surround stock prices and Collins' handling of private information about an unfavorable trial study conducted by Innate Immunotherapeutics. That ultimately led to a significant sell-off of shares by Collins, his son Cameron, and Cameron's father-in-law Stephen Zarski. But Judge Broderick also asked the parties for reports documenting what the three men said to law enforcement, what other calls Collins made the day he tipped off people about the bad news about Innate, and whether Collins, after reversing his decision to suspend his re-election campaign, made any statements professing his innocence. As of now, we're unsure if he did exactly, but that's apparently because he didn't want to speak to the media at all during his campaign, because he said that was deliberate and part of his strategy to be re-elected.
I'm not going to get into my law to the charges against me. The facts will come out. These are meritless charges.
That was November of 2018 as Collins sat down with our Edge Ranch. Days prior, the night he was reelected, he told reporters that he expected to be exonerated as he professed that he was innocent of what he called meritless charges. While it's impossible to predict what the 6 pages of clarifying questions will mean for Broderick's sentencing decision, his final question to attorneys perhaps injects a glimmer of Broderick's impression of Collins' overall handling of this insider training. How can that argument that defendant Collins has committed an emotional and impulsive act on June 22nd, 2017 be reconciled with his lying to law enforcement approximately 10 months later? Ed, Madison.